home. Contains about 50 million living species since its birth 4.5 billion years ago. Every human being and almost all animals undergo one-way aging process. Some species may live over 100 years, but these are rarely seen in nature. However, plants have an extraordinary ability to survive in the extreme weather conditions, regenerate by sprouting after disturbance, and stay viable for centuries, even thousands of years. So what is the origin of plants' incredibly strong vitality? Some believe that certain plant stem cells are the reason that plants resurrect throughout their lifetime that can span hundreds of years. Plant stem cells, also known as immortal cells, are the cells that have the abilities to go through proliferation by self-repetition and to change into a variety of distinct, specialized cells. After primary growth, the stem cells in the vascular cambium of plants become active, develop bast outward and wood inward, which makes plant grow higher and thicker. But every year, thousands of plant species have become scarce and eventually extinct due to habitat destruction, overexploitation, and urbanization. Wild plants, which possess great medicinal values, such as ginkgo and ginseng, are among those rare and scarce species. A 50-year-old wild ginseng can fetch up to $30,000 US, and yet it is in extremely short supply. The older, the better, because ginseng collects all kinds of energy from the mountain year after year. It's fairly easy to cultivate ginseng in your own farm. But only wild ginseng has the environment and time to concentrate all the natural essences into the tiny root during its long living lifespan. While in the wild, only the most experienced can spot the green gold with a key eye, a natural compass, the ability to appreciate wood from trees, and most of all, lucky. To isolate the immortal plant stem cell from a plant, scientists around the world attempted uncountable tries, but all ended in failure. These plant stem cells are known to be located in the tips of plants' roots, shoots, and vascular tissue. But it's notoriously difficult to isolate and culture these tiny green angels. In 2005, scientists from Korea Wonwa Corporation took a piece of 50-year-old wild ginseng and performed surgery. Searching for a very tiny part of the root, the stem cell, they successfully isolated those little but most significant cells from the green gold. This has never been accomplished previously, and this is a major breakthrough in plant biotechnology. With the incredible abilities of reproduction of plant stem cells, scientists now hope to grow stem cells from ginseng and other rare plants in the lab instead of hunting them in the wild, making life a lot more convenient for merits of herbs. October 2010. Wonwa Corporation, teaming with Professor Gary Loke from University of Edinburgh, Institute of Molecular Plant Sciences, published their research on plant stem cells as a cover thesis on world-renowned scientific journal, Nature Biotechnology. This research proved that the cells, which Wonwa Corporation isolated from cambium, were genuine plant stem cells, instead of callus, which has a higher mutation probability and a lower durability than the genuine stem cells. Cooperating with Wonwa, Winalite International is seeking ways to commercialize this unique technique into the industries of new biotechnology material, modern supplements, and skincare products. Through careful design and ambitious layout, those ancient medicinal herbs are now turned into consumer goods for the 21st century. There are a variety of plant stem cells that have been employed in developing high-value health and skincare products. Honored as the king of medicinal herbs for centuries, the ginseng root has been used by Asians as a tonic to treat a range of conditions, from common colds to strengthening immunity. Research seems to suggest ginseng can help lowering blood sugar and delaying body aging. And according to some earliest account of ginseng, it could quiet spirit and curb emotions. Studies show that wild ginseng contains a significantly higher amount of saponins than cultivated ginseng. Ginsenoside RG3 with anti-tumor activity in wild ginsengs is 3.4 times higher than red ginseng. Besides, the content of the essential minor elements in wild ginsengs, such as strontium, manganese, and zinc, are much higher than those in cultivated ginseng in countries such as America, China, Japan, Korea, and Russia. Wunwa owns more than 20 patents and patent applications for various functions of wild ginseng stem cells. We take the original stem cells from the best-of-breed wild ginsengs of over 50 years, which grew in the Gangwon-do Mountains in Korea and were certified by the Korean Ginseng Accreditation Association. As for skincare, wild ginseng stem cells provide improvement on your skin vitality and immunity by repairing UV injuries, restraining natural aging, discharging active oxygen, activating natural killer cells, relieving wrinkles, regenerating and whitening skin. As for body care, wild ginseng stem cells facilitate proliferation of marrow cells and lymphocytes. They strengthen your antioxidant capacity to help quickly fatigue removal, energy filling, improvement on brain functions, and enhancement on attention and memory. U, also known as taxus, has strong gene activity against corrosion and enjoys the reputation of natural living fossil in the plant kingdom. Isolated and cultured from a Korean yew over 1100 years old. These yew stem cells are able to strongly suppress inflammation and repair sensitive skins. Their powerful antioxidant function can naturally slow down skin aging, renew keratinocytes, resulting in smoother and cleaner skin by addressing skin troubles from all aspects. Tomato stem cell drink contains tomato-extracted stem cells, which clean up metabolites to regain skin's capacity of antioxidation, improving skin moisture, whiten and tighten skin to regain vigor. Combining the unique technology on isolating and culturing plant stem cells, turning ancient medicinal herbs into modern packaged products. Let's get together to bring a revolutionary era for the healthcare industry, for the improvement of health keeping, vigor gaining, and lifespan extending of human beings.